Hello, good morning, happy 4th of July, and welcome to Mediterranean Cooking by Marina. It is right now 9:35 in the morning on this beautiful sunny Saturday here in California, and I am getting ready to eat my breakfast. So you guys are gonna make my breakfast with me. I am gonna make a ham and cheese omelet that I promised on the previous spoiler here. So let's get this breakfast started. So I have my bowl here and I'm gonna crack 3 eggs. I'll be right back. I need to get a fork. Can you believe I forgot the fork? So I'm gonna throw these in the trash can and get a fork. I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So, can't make an omelet without a fork. I had it nearby, but I thought I forgot, but I didn't. It was just, I forgot where I placed it. So I'm beating my eggs here. And now I'm gonna put about half a teaspoon of salt. It's just a little bit because I'm gonna add ham and cheese to that, which already have salt. So you don't wanna put too much and then it won't taste any good. Dash of black pepper. There we go. Every time you add an ingredient, you beat it so you make sure everything is incorporated, mixed up really well. So here we are. My egg mixture is ready. I'm gonna get my cooktop right over here. Oh, it's smoky. My son probably was cooking on it, but that's okay. I have my frying pan here. I like to make my omelet in this large one because then it will spread. It becomes very beautiful. You will see what I'm talking about soon. Let me get my spatula here. Okay. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil to this. And to the olive oil, you wanna add, I recommend that you add about a teaspoon of butter because the butter prevents the oil from smoking. You know, heat up, overheat, and then smoking oil is not a good thing for cooking. If that happens to you, discard the oil. Let it cool first and then you discard and then start over again. The smokiness here is from the, oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna use another, yeah, I'm using this other one here. So, see, you wait for the butter to melt. It's almost there. I'm gonna take care of this problem right now. Creativity is the key, I guess. So my butter's almost melted and I'm throwing my egg mixture here. I'm gonna pour my egg mixture right there. Beautiful egg mixture. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's getting better. The problem is when I cook on the small, I have a large one here, a small one here. The small one takes a little longer to, you know. Now the larger one was smoking, but I guess we got this under control now. So I'm gonna wait for this to cook a little bit. I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. I'll be back. Okay, and I'm back. My eggs are cooking nicely. And you don't want to break that. You just want to run your spoon around the edges here. And now I'm gonna add my ham and cheese, of course. And I have here 3 slices of cheese and 2 slices of ham. I'm gonna add just 2 slices of cheese, okay? My plan was to have just 2, and then 1 got stuck. So I put 3 on a dish, but I'm actually just using 2. And then I'm gonna add my ham, just like that. If you like to cut and chop your ham and cheese, feel free to do so. I like my ham and cheese to be whole. And now for the best part, I'm going to fold it, okay? You can fold your omelet in half like this, in half, or you can fold it in 3s, which is the version I like the most. I folded my omelet in 3s. And I'm gonna leave it here just for a little longer. Give the cheese a little bit of time to melt. In the meantime, I'm gonna get a dish so I can savor this. And this should be ready by now. I'm gonna turn this off. Put it on the plate here. Yeah, I like my omelet this way. Like I said, you can fold in half or you can fold in 3s. I like it in 3s. Let me get this out of the way so I can, I want to lay my dish on the counter here. So here we go. Best part of the video, at least for me. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, the cheese melted. See how the cheese melted beautifully. You really want to leave for a couple minutes. So let's go. Let me look at you guys. This is so good. Let me get a smaller piece now. My eyes were bigger than my mouth that first time. Okay, this is good. Doesn't get better than this. So this was my suggestion for the day. I love this omelette because you can make for breakfast, lunch, dinner, any time of the day. This fits in any meal, okay? If you're having for lunch and dinner, you can have a green salad on the side or even a baked potato. It would be great. That was my suggestion for the day. 4th of July 2026. 250 years of America independent. and I'm very happy for this occasion. You guys have fun barbecuing, doing fireworks, whatever you're gonna do. I'm gonna run to the store while they're open because we're gonna run out of water. So in the summer, well, or any time, it's not a good idea. But first I'm gonna eat my omelet. You guys have fun. Happy 4th of July. Enjoy. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment for me, and leave a suggestion of something you would like to see right here on this channel. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.